Ha 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 ha. Want to have some fun today?
I'm so done. One fine day, I was casually scrolling Instagram.
Coming, baby.
How is this possible?
Sorry, not sorry. Luala, you look so beautiful, baby. No easy password. Who is next?
Secrettops using zero knowledge proof concept. Here, the user and server knows the following values. Firstly, the user makes the request to log in. Now comes the main part. For successful authentication of website, the user has to prove that he knows the value of X.
Now moving forward, the user sends the value of C to the server, and furthermore, the server requests either the value of R and W, and accordingly, the user sends either of the two values to the server. If the user sends the value of R, then the server runs the calculation, and if the required value matches, then the user authenticates successfully. Same is the concept with the value of W. And since both the values of R and W are random, the user ends up disclosing nothing crucial.
So yeah, let's first try to register and see what happens. So first of all, I'm trying to register. Let me give my username as Adarsh Gupta, and let me put some password to it and click on register. You can see that we made some requests to backend, and we claim that we never sent password to the backend. So here we can see what we have sent to the backend. In the first request, we sent my username Adarsh Gupta, and in the second, we sent some random, like not exactly random, but some values that are calculated according to the values G and N as explained in the video earlier. And in the first request, we see that we get response G and N is 51 and 53. So the values, these values, all these Y values are computed using those G and N values, and we get a response that yeah, our registration is successful. Then let's try to log in and see what happens. So I am putting my email and password, username and password, and trying to log in. So since this is a different kind of protocol in which we have to make multiple requests to backend, so let's see our first request. In first request, I try to fetch G and N value corresponding to my username, and I get values as 51 and 53. Then I send values C that is computed according to the algorithm that has been mentioned earlier, and we get a response of request array. Then finally we send value W, which is according to the request array that we got in the last response. And if these values are correct, that is basically these values are according to our password, then it will give a response of verification successful. Otherwise, it will fall. Like the verification will fail. Let me write a wrong password and show you how it's happening. I put a wrong password and then I'm clicking on login. You can see that it shows that authentication failed, wrong credentials. Here we see that these are the value of W, and in the previous case, if we see these are the value of W. So if we change password, these values change, and hence the verification fails. So yeah, this is how our backend works.